vamos já passar daqui, vamos fazer.
Vamos passar por aí. Yes, hello everybody. We have just reached Lubango. We landed on the airport and now we are going to the farm. Ahead of us, the car of General Trego, and he's on his car, and we are in this car. You can see Mr. Hussain. Yes, Mr. Elder.
Hello.
And Dr. Fabio. अभी हम अपने फार्म की तरफ जो है वो रवा दवाएं जी जी ये जो है गाड़ी जो है जन साहब ने भेजी है तो अब हम अपने फार्म की तरफ जो है वो जाने लगे जी
This is the farm. It's 72 hectares. In our side, we have the agrochemical stores, and this part is the offices of the farm, and this is the caravan going to visit the plants. And Mr. Baba Hussain to make the experimentation and to analyze the soil and the fruits. I'm going to start a visit now to the land and analyze the fruits. Mr. Baba are going to analyze the fruits and the plants. Okay, here we have the technicians. General Trigueiro giving the knife to Mr. Baba Hussain. And he's going to analyze now the soil. Mr. Baba has asked to remove the grass. They have asked for a labor to dig 1 foot. So the first step is to make the holes and collect the soil, and by that Mr. Baba will be able to analyze how good the soil is. So the whole team is very attentive to Mr. Baba's and Mr. Khalid's expertise, and we'll continue following up. Mr. Babar is analyzing the 3-fit soil. 3 different sizes soil. The first one of 1 fit, the second of 2 feet, and the third one 3 feet.
Senhor Baba Hussain, Senhor Elvin, nós tivemos o grande prazer de nos receber, portanto, nesta visita ao projeto Nossa Terra Agroindustrial para uma primeira abordagem da situação do projeto e das vossas, portanto, intenções em relação à possível parceria para o desenvolvimento deste projeto.
Okay, Mr. General Hussain, Mr. Baba Hussain, it's a pleasure for him to welcome us and in his farm and to analyze all the project so that you can take the first impression of the whole project, and after they can proceed for further negotiation. So he's giving us a very warming welcome.
Eu diria que os senhores tiveram a oportunidade nesta visita de constatar algumas dificuldades que o projeto vive. Tiveram também a oportunidade de constatar que é um projeto, portanto, recuperável, é um projeto que tem pernas para andar.
Okay. Among your visit, you were able to see that the project has some difficulties, But also you could analyze that the project is recoverable and it obviously has legs to walk on.
Portanto, é nesse sentido de aproveitarmos o que ainda, o que existe do projeto, corrigir aquilo que está, portanto, mal feito ou que está por fazer e fazer-se da forma correta, porque o projeto ganha de facto a dimensão, quer no contexto regional, quer no contexto nacional, portanto, pode ter.
Okay, and so he wants to join force with you in order to recover the project, to see what is wrong and to make it right, so that the project can gain its original dimension in this region and also in the whole country.
Estamos cientes, estamos certos que, portanto, com a vossa experiência, com o vosso saber, vão conseguir, com certeza, definir as melhores práticas, definir os melhores métodos para que, portanto, o projeto seja revigorado no sentido de cumprir com, portanto, as metas, portanto, para que ele foi preconizado, investindo aquilo que for necessário investir, contando naturalmente sempre com o apoio institucional, portanto, da Caixa de Segurança Social, neste caso, como titular do projeto, como dona do projeto.
Okay, you're saying that obviously with your great experience, they can recover the project, and they very admired. They're thanking very much to you for the project, for your experience and everything you have shown. And again, they want to gather forces so that the project can walk on, because the project was created with an end, and then they want to reach this goal, and also with the help of the Army Force, Social Security, obviously they can achieve it.
Portanto, para terminar, diríamos que estamos confiantes na possibilidade, nas vossas capacidades de desenvolverem, portanto, este projeto. O nosso muito obrigado mais uma vez, espero que tenham se sentido bem, portanto, que tenham estado cómodos e sempre que cá voltarem teremos o grande prazer de vos receber e de colaborar convosco naquilo que for necessário e fundamental. Muito obrigado.
To finish, the General has great confidence, great trust in your capability to move on the project and to recover the complete project. And he is thanking everyone, especially you, for coming here. You are obviously welcome here anytime you want. And whenever you want to come back, he honestly wishes that you have been very well welcome here. You had a good reception, and the next time you come here, obviously they will welcome you in the very same way.
Thank you.
Thank you.